how to scan multiple documents and save as PDF on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. So I will go ahead and cancel this operation. Now to begin, let's go back to the home screen. Then open up the camera app. Next, tap on the control button here. Then tap on settings. In settings, we go to the top and tap on scanning. Then make sure you turn on document scan. Tap on the toggle to turn it on. Then tap on the left hand side panel. In here, we choose a quality settings or resolution settings. You can have it at default. You can set it as high or low. Okay. After that, we go back to the camera and in photo mode. Make sure you're in photo mode and place a document on the table. Make sure you have enough lighting, and then we point the camera at the document. At the bottom here, you should see the scan button. So you tap on the scan button right there. That will attempt to scan the document. Okay, so that is the first document. Then you go and you get the second document and you place it there. And then you tap on add scan to continue on with the scanning. And then you tap on this shutter button to scan it. And that is menu. We can also select auto. So auto, and then here we continue with the scan. Okay, so you can set the phone to automatically scan for document, or you can do it manually. Okay, after that, there is a button right here that you can apply filter, or if you need to make changes, you can do that. And once you're finished, you can tap on the next button. Here it will offer you to save the document as PDF, or you can continue to add in more document. So here we tap on save as PDF. And that's it. So it is now saved in the documents folder. So if we go to My Files, in here we can go to My Files, and this is the new documents, the PDF documents that we have successfully just scanned. And that's it. It is stored in here. So if I try to find the file, so go in here, I'll see where it is located. It should tell you the path where the file is located. So here if you go to details, it is stored in a folder called documents, document scans. So we go back in here and we go into internal storage. And then we go to documents, document scan. This is where you can find your PDF file. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.